Hello. I will show you how to glue and repair these broken Audio-Technica ATH-M40X headphones. It won't be very easy, but anyone can do it with a little patience, thus saving money without buying new headphones. This gluing instruction can also be done on Technica ATH-M70, M50X, MSR7, M40, M30X, M20, and M20X headphones, as they all have the same design. To do this you will need some patience, baking soda, superglue, a soldering iron kit and various other tools that you will find in your grandmother's bedroom. As you can see, these headphones are completely broken, not to be used until they are fixed. Unscrew the 2 screws on the back cover and remove. Then carefully remove any loose, excess plastic. Do this carefully. In my case the wire is already damaged, and the one side of the headphone is not working, so don't worry if you damage the wire. I will show you how to fix it. Then try to see if you can put the headphones tightly together. If you can't do that, then cut or snip off the excess plastic, so that you can put the headphones tightly together. Now the headphones can be put tightly together, but the cord is damaged. Cut the cord in half, as I will show you how to fix it. If your cable is not broken and the headphones work both sides, you can skip this step. To fix the wire, you first have to unscrew and remove the headband arm slider cover. Unscrew the only screw that holding the plastic end of the slider in place. Then remove the rotating plastic part. Pull out the cable, so that it is easier to solder. Then remove the cable outer jacket with a sharp paper knife, but be careful, here is one chance. If the cable gets damaged, you will have to tear down the headband. Then slide in and out the headband slider, so that the cable takes its place and length. Then pull the longer wire out of the speaker housing. There is a long enough wire inside. And for that end of the cable, remove the outer jacket. Then remove the plastic where the wire went through, so that it can be put back in place without pulling it through. Then tin the ends of both wires. This will make soldering easier and better quality. Then cut off the excess lengths on both ends of the wires, so that small lengths remain. Then insert the wire from the speaker housing side through the rotating plastic part. And solder the 2 wires together. Use a small piece of insulating tape to cover the soldered wires, to avoid short-circuiting, but you need very little insulating tape to get it inside the rotating plastic part. Put the rotating plastic part back in place and push the soldered wire inside. Screw the screw back in plastic slider. Connect the headphones to the sound source and check that both sides work. Perfect. Headphones works. We've done the first task. If you have a good cable, then you have saved time by not repairing it. Then use superglue to fix the rotating plastic part, but the way it should be, in the right direction. Put the cover back on top and screw it on. Before gluing, check that everything fits as required. You can glue the headphones with baking soda and superglue hack. We have glued a lot of headphones this way and they last a long time. Click more from Tech Screw if you want to see these videos. Today we will glue together with metal parts. Find some metal pieces, pins, small metal nails, any piece of metal works. You can then use a hot soldering iron to melt it inside the plastic. I've done in this way before, but it's very difficult, so I recommend you buy a hot plastic welding machine, which costs about $35, but you can use it to fix not only headphones, but many other household things, including the bumper of a grandmother car, once you've driven it into the bins. Then clean and degrease the surfaces, so the glue sticks better. Use your grandmother's nail file to rough up the plastic wherever you're thinking put on glue. Then use a toothbrush, preferably not your own, to scrape off the plastic shavings, so they don't interfere with the gluing work. Then put the part of the headphones that is not being glued in the bag, so that the glue does not damage headphones look. Put the headphones together as they should be, then find the most suitable piece of metal that fits, and melt it down either with a soldering iron, or with a hot plastic welding machine, but melt down the metal enough, so that it is not visible, not too deep. Melt the same piece of metal near it. Melt both sides as well. The more metal you put in, the more indestructible the area will be. You can also put 2 metals on the inside. Remove any sharp metals. Then file off the rough plastic, so that it is smooth. Use a toothbrush to wipe off all the plastic small parts. Add superglue in all the gaps and add baking soda on top. Together with the superglue it will form instant cement. Apply the superglue and baking soda in this way all around. Then use a toothbrush to remove the excess baking soda. Then try the covering plastic cover, and cut off any excess that gets in the way. and screw it on. Then remove the ear pad cushion. Unscrew the ear housing and pull the cable inside. Remember to push cable into the groove, so it's not visible. Then screw the headphone housing closed, and put the ear pad on. See the next video on how to replace them with new ear pad cushions. Then take your grandfather's nail polish and apply it wherever the instant cement was created. This will improve the look and give better stability. Once the nail polish is dry, the headphones are safe to use, as I don't like the transformer look. I'll apply black insulation tape over the top, that way I can hide any glue marks. Applying several layers of tape will also give extra strength and improve the look significantly. Then use a damp cloth to clean the headphones so that there are no baking soda or plastic crumbs on them. They will look even better after cleaning. Here's the result. Headphones repaired. Money saved, and this place will never break again. How to replace those old earpad cushions? Watch the next video. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below this video. I would be very happy if you hit the like and subscribe buttons for this video, to support me and my grandmother in making these headphone repair video tutorials. Have a nice day.